July 17, 2022 is a Sunday. Welcome to your daily weather for New York City. The temperature today should reach up to 84 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 52%. You can expect 2.39 millimeters of rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 11 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be warm with light rain. Tuesday is going to be hot with clear sky. Wednesday is going to be hot with scattered clouds. Thursday is going to be hot with light rain. Friday is going to be hot with clear sky. Saturday is going to be hot with light rain. Sunday is going to be warm with light rain. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. For our next story, Yankees, NYPD investigating after drone seen above stadium. New York. The New York Yankees say police are investigating after what appeared to be a drone was spotted flying above R. Ite Field at Yankee Stadium on Saturday night. NJ. In our next story, heat wave in Europe threatens crops at a time when the grain from Ukraine remains blocked. Emergency services attending the scene of a missile strike that killed 3 people and wounded 16 others in Dnipro, UKR. Anya, on Friday, credit. In other New York news. After Beanie Feldstein's departure, can Lea Michele really save Funny Girl? Beanie Feldstein was initially cast as Fanny Brice in Broadway's Funny Girl revival. Now Lea Michele is taking her spot. In our next story, Elon Musk texted Twitter CEO about lawyers before deal pullout, report NDTV. Twitter sued Musk after he decided to back out of the $44 billion takeover deal. File Washington. The dispute between Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Twitter is taking many twists and turns. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but how William Olson, right-wing lawyer, pitched Trump on a 2020 election plot. The New York Times. The court had declined to hear a case that allies of Mr. Trump in Texas had brought challenging the election results in Pennsylvania, saying the plaintiffs lacked standing. Mr. Olson told Mr. In other New York news. Ryan Garcia vs. Javier Fortuna results, live stream fight coverage. MMA Mania. Pretty boy pugilist, Ryan Garcia, faces one of the stiffest tests of his career this evening, July 16, 2022, when he takes on former champion, Javier El Abejón Fortuna, inside crypto. Next up, LeBron James's 42-point show lights up Drew League, Kyrie Irving no-shows ESPN. Los Angeles. LeBron James scored 42 points in a successful return to the Drew League while teaming up with DeMar DeRozan for a 104,102 win in LA's famed Pro-Am Basketball League Saturday. That's it, New York. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).